consciousness bites to live light, and just by being here, I'm so thankful to all of you for the previous lives that you have watched, that you have joined. And I'm sorry for taking this long break and not being on the live. Hi Janvi, so good to see you. And yes, I apologize for being here after a long time. But now here that I'm back again, I'm going to talk about something very, which has been present in my space. कई बार हमारी लाइफ में ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिन पे हम बहुत ट्रस्ट करते हैं, जिन पे you know that you can trust them blindly maybe. But somewhere that blind trust is something that you need to recheck. Do you really need to trust other person blindly? Or do you need to have that unwavering, unshaking faith and trust in yourself and in your knowing, in your awareness? So it could be a friend, it could be a relative, it could be a family member. जिस पे हम इस पे तो मैं आंख बंद करके विश्वास कर सकता हूँ, इस पे तो मैं आंख बंद करके विश्वास कर सकती हूँ. आंख बंद करके विश्वास करने के पहले थोड़ी सी आंखें खोलिए और देखिए कि जो इंसान आपको लग रहा है बहुत कंट्रीब्यूटिंग है, होगा, वो कंट्रीब्यूटिंग होगा. इट इज वन ऑफ द ट्रेट ऑफ अ नार्सिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी टू, हु एक्चुअली वांट टू कंट्रोल यू, who actually want to isolate you from the rest of the world and do not want you to be having too many friends or too many people around you. This is a narcissistic trait. और ये कई बार हमारे आसपास ही होते हैं और हम उनको देख नहीं पाते हैं, हम उनको नजरअंदाज करते हैं. So before you have blind faith on anyone, please open your eyes. By open your eyes, I mean trust your inner knowing. Trust your inner energy, your navigation within. No matter what, it will never fail you. It will never lie to you. That's what I'm trying to say. So, हमको लगता है अरे नहीं ये इंसान बहुत केयरिंग है, बहुत हमारा ख्याल रखता है, हमारे लिए बहुत काइंड है, वो सब कुछ है. बट एक नार्सिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी का ट्रेट होता है वो. नार्सिस्टिक पर्सनालिटीज ऐसा करते हैं आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेने के लिए, आपका ट्रस्ट लेने के लिए, ताकि वो जो कंट्रोल है, जो पोजेसिवनेस है, जो वो चाहते हैं कि आप आइसोलेट हो जाएं, वो अच्छे से उसको प्ले में ला सकें. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन इंटरनेट अबाउट नार्सिज्म, नार्सिस्टिक पर्सनैलिटीज, एंड वी हैव देम अराउंड अस. Yes, we have them around us. So be present to them, open your eyes. There's nothing like blind faith, and my suggestion would be, before you step into blind faith or having that blind faith on someone else outside, please open your eyes and see, is this blind faith working for me? Is this blind faith making me not trust my own inner knowing? Is this blind faith making me invalidate my knowing, my awareness? And if all of that makes you feel light, please, please, please have that unwavering, unshakable faith and trust in you first before you have it on anyone outside. And never ever say, I have a blind faith in this person, because you never know वो जो close friend है, वो जो close relative है, या जो family है, जो भी है जिसके ऊपर भी आप ये चीज बोल रहे हो, क्या इंटेंशन बदलते हैं, कब एनर्जी चेंज होती है, and you will not even come to know. So please, please, please trust your awareness first before you trust anyone else outside. I'm not saying mistrust the world. No, I'm not saying that. But do not have that blind faith thing, because that blind faith blinds you first. That blind faith thing, please, the blind faith itself says, I can trust this person blindfolded. Why would you want to blindfold yourself? So that you cannot see the truth? So universe, even when universe is trying to show you the truth, you're blindfolded. You will not be able to see the truth. Even when your own inner navigation system, the navigating system is trying to show you the truth about that person who is very close to you, you will not be able to see it. So please remove the blindfold. Trust your awareness. Your awareness is the only security and safety system that you're born with on the planet, that you will have with you till your last breath in this lifetime. So never doubt that. Never ever doubt that, and have unwavering, unshakable trust in your inherent navigating system, which is your inner voice. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you here again. And I hope you see this. Whenever you see this, this information gives you some insight that you're able to see the truth for you. And I'll see you next Sunday. CB2LL, Consciousness Bites to Live Light, every Sunday, 9:45 p.m. And here I'm signing off. Ashya say, bye-bye. Thank you, Janvi.